Is your Wi-Fi slow or unstable on your PC or laptop? Then don't worry. In this tutorial, I will show you some simple yet very effective steps to boost your Wi-Fi speed and improve your connection quality. These methods work on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So please watch the full video carefully because missing even a single step may affect the results. And if you are new here, I would be really grateful if you could hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorial like this. So let's get started. First, do a right click on start icon and click on run. In the run box, type ncpa.cpl. Click OK. A new window will appear showing all your network connections. Now find your Wi-Fi connection. Right click on it and choose Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Then click on Properties. Now select Use the following DNS server addresses. Now set the preferred DNS as 1.1.1.1 and the alternate DNS as 1.0.0.1. You may also use Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Once done, click OK and close the window. Again, right click on your Wi-Fi connection. Now choose Properties. This time, click on Configure. Now, a new window will open with your wireless adapter properties. Now go to the Advanced tab. Here, we will make a few important changes. First, Fat Channel Intolerant. Set it to Disabled. This ensures better stability and speed. Next, Preferred Band. If available, select Preferred 5 GHz band, faster than 2.4 GHz. Next, Roaming Aggressiveness. Set it to lowest or medium low if needed. This gives you better speed when your router is nearby. Finally, Channel Width. 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Keep both set to auto. Once you have adjusted these settings, click OK. After that, restart your computer. By now, your internet should be faster and you will see the 5 GHz network as well. And that's it. By changing just a few simple settings, you can significantly improve your Wi-Fi speed and stability on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I would love to hear how much your speed has improved. If this tutorial helped, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more useful tech tips and tricks. Thank you. Thanks for watching.